In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get MP5 in Bloodstrike. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you all of the unlock requirements for you to acquire the MP5. I'm gonna teach you how you can acquire it as a trial temporarily, and I'm also gonna be talking about the requirement for you to have it permanently. So all that you have to do to check out these requirements and see your progress is to go to your weapon page, and you can either tap on weapon, or I recommend going over to the loadout. If you go to the loadout and you tap on the option to switch weapons, all that you have to do to find the MP5 is to go into the second category here, so the submachine guns. When you go here and you keep going down, the first locked SMG should be the MP5, so if you don't see it at the top, just keep tapping downwards until you find it. So when you see the MP5, tap on unlock and you will see the three primary ways to get it. So you have the option to use a trial card and get it on your trial loadout. This will allow you to use it temporarily, and you can also use all available attachments. All that you have to do is redeem a trial card that you can acquire from the ranked shop and the strike pass. Next, you have the permanent way of unlocking it. So for this unlock condition, all that you have to do is get 50 hip fire kills with any SMG. A hip fire kill is when you kill someone without aiming down sights. So just kill someone without aiming down 50 times and you will be able to unlock the MP5 permanently. The last option that you have is to use 1000 noble points. There are various ways to get these noble points, so daily first win, you can get it from the shop and also from the strike pass, so just choose whichever one you prefer. You should be able to get this naturally, so I would highly recommend just going over for this condition. Spawn in with any SMG of your preference and just focus on getting hipfire kills. Remember, not to aim down sights, and you will be able to unlock it. Once it is unlocked, you can equip it on your loadout. I hope I was able to help you on how to get MP5 in Bloodstrike. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.